What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel Descript subscription. We have the link to Descript in the description below so you can get a head start using Descript at the end of this video. The first thing you'll need to do, of course, is to go over to your Descript dashboard, and at the top right corner you're going to see your profile icon. Click on it, and then when the drop down comes, you're going to click on settings. After clicking on settings, once the settings window pops up, you're going to locate the plan section on the left hand side. So once you click on plan, you're going to locate the change plan button right beside your plan option. So click on change plan and then select the plan you want to switch to. Now, if you'd like to cancel your Descript subscription, you just simply need to go over to the free plan and click on downgrade to free. Selecting this will put you on the path to cancel your subscription because you no longer have to pay for your subscription. So once you click on downgrade to free, you'll be asked to state why you're canceling your subscription. You could decide to choose that there is a missing functionality, that the free plan suits your needs, or any of these options that suit your reasoning. And then once you select it, you can click on cancel subscription. You're going to follow the prompt until you see the cancellation confirmation message. And then you'll see cancellation confirmed. You won't be billed again. Now, once your cancellation is initiated, you will still be on your current plan until the end of your billing cycle. After that, you'll be completely switched to your free plan. Don't forget to check out the link to Descript in the description below, and do let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.